Hey everybody, in this video we're going to go over exactly how we were able to make 18.15% in under 2 hours this morning using our advanced trading system down here. So I had a question the other day from one of our subscribers. They said, Justin, can you use this system on a lower time frame to do scalping trades? Absolutely, and this is a great trade to show you guys exactly how that'll work. So if you aren't familiar with scalping, all that means is that you're going to a lower time frame and you're looking for positions to take profit in the market where there's quick movements in one direction. So instead of trade on the 4-hour or the 1-hour time frame, which you're looking for swing trades, which you would get in today and let's say hold for a week or 2 weeks or a month, shorter time frames you would probably get in and out within the same day. So this would be considered as a day trade. So let's look at the technical analysis real quick on why we entered into this position. So we entered in on the white line and we exited on the green line. The reason we entered in on this white line was overall we could see that the trend in the market was heading down. So we were only looking for short positions. Right down here at the bottom, this is what I loved about this entry. You had all three of our indicators pointing in the right direction. Your money momentum started stepping down. You had a middle red band that was consistent red, which means bearish market, and you had a solid red key EMA crossover that also indicated that the strong momentum is continuing to the downside. You guys, what we also have with this system is we have coded indicators where it's buy and sell signals. So if you're in a selling market, I want you to only have the sell signal on. If we're in a buyer's market and we're heading up, I only want you to have the buy signal on, okay? So for example, we were in a seller's market, so I had the sell on. So another form of confirmation to me was we also had a sell signal, okay? So if you didn't necessarily see it down here on the bottom, I would strongly recommend you need to figure out and learn this system first, and then more or less use these as confirmations that your trend is still in the right direction. You can do these, however, and still make money on these sell signals. So that's the reason why I ended up getting into this one. So ended up entering on candle close, writing it down here to 36.60. You guys know how I trade. I have confirmation on everything here. Ended up making 36.60 is where we exited, 18.15% or $98 this morning. This is on a small account, you guys. If you had more money, this is where it just grows extremely more and more. I was talking to someone the other day, one of our subscribers, and they were saying, all right, so why don't you trade with a larger amount? Let's say like $10,000, $20,000. Well, in my mind, my personal account that I trade with is just a couple thousand, because what I say is if you can't change $2,000 into $4,000, how are you going to eventually trade $200,000 into $400,000? So if you can understand the concept of why we trade and how we use this system below to be consistently profitable in the market, no matter what dollar amount you have, you're going to become more successful. And in my opinion, so you don't blow up accounts and spend all your money and waste it if you get into a wrong position, start with a lower dollar amount. Start with $1,000 or $2,000 and go to a lower time frame where you can find these little bit of scalps, or go to a longer time frame, which I would highly recommend for people starting off, because there's something called a PDT rule where if you don't have $25,000 or more, let's say in a Robinhood account, you're going to be restricted to only 3 day trades a week. So go to a higher time frame and then look at the settings we have down here before you enter, become more successful. Real quick, you guys, I want to go over another stock that I have personally just bought into this morning that I think has good potential in the market. And this is one that you could enter in as well. You guys, I want to make these videos as educational as possible. If you haven't done already, please click the like and subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. The one I'm looking at is a firm. So the reason I am in a firm right now is similar to how this setup was back here. Okay, so we were in a strong downtrend. We started to have a little bit of consolidation, but then we started stepping back up in the market. You can see with this white line. We also got a solid green EMA crossover. What happened right afterwards? We ended up seeing a rally to the top, and we could have exited around these top 2 red bands. This is exactly what I'm seeing right now, okay? So we're stepping back up. We got a green EMA confirmation. We are still in a bearish trend, but this is, to me, is saying that we should be looking for a reversal. So I have entered into a firm just this morning. You guys can do the same thing if you would like. I did a month out contract. So I am trading on the 4-hour time frame, so I'm doing a month out contract. I will do a trade update on this throughout the week, maybe next week when we exit, but that is a little trade that you guys can get in right now that I feel could be good potential here in the next month. All right, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know below. Send me emails, and I will get back to you as fast as possible. If you guys haven't done already, this trading system is currently on sale. It is normally $4.99. It is 60% off. It's only $1.99. This will be going up. I know I keep saying that in our videos. This will be going to $2.49. I'm just going to tell you guys straight off right now, At the beginning of this next month, starting March, this will go to $2.49. So if you want to snag it and save $50, please do now. Trade along with me every single week, and you can be doing exactly what we're doing. All right, guys, have a great one.